Jason the Man 你没有说。
Jason the man
Oh,
in
yeah.
his underwear
Boo, boo.
putting on our curtain.
Alright.
Home improvement project.
Project of the week. Alright, let's drill this thing. Oh, we're putting on curtains though. Okay, I think little hole is fine, right?
Yeah.
Give me the screws. The screw bits.
Screw. Ah.
Screw bits. Yeah, in the middle. Metal.
Metal too?
Feel the penis. 没有那个 drill head 啦。
什么 drill
drill
head？
head。什么 drill head？
你 drill head 在这里啊。
Really hard. Just one hand through this. It's actually pretty.
No， 你先钻那个进去，你先不要那个是直接，你就留一点，
哦，
然后就
换进去可以了，对。
It's like hanging a picture.
This is way too small the hole I drill. It's hard. This is too long. Why is it so long? Oh,
我可以把前面那个拿
拔掉。
You want it to be smaller? I can make it shorter.
No, that's fine. That's the right size. Yeah, it's small. Okay.
Oh.
Problem is the hole I drew is too small.
Do you want to draw it bigger?
Might need to. Yeah, might need to go bigger. It's way too small.
Slightly bigger. Buddy is supervising. Buddy.
Alright, project complete. We got the curtain up. And Stina actually hand saw these, so it's like 2 layers, right?
Yeah.
2
We
layers.
bought 2 layers, 2 different curtains, and then I saw them together.
Yeah, one is the darker version.
But it's really plain, so it really doesn't have any pattern on it. And this were on sale at Walmart?
Tuesday morning?
No, Walmart.
Okay.
This is from Walmart, but it doesn't really do a good job
Blocking the
blocking the
sunlight.
light.
So we have double layer.
Yeah.
Yep, and we have 3 supports. And now we can close it. Yay! Now I can sleep in the daytime when I have night shift. Yay.
So that's the main
Yep.
purpose, and you look really nice.
Yep. Yay. Give me 5. Woohoo!